10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bob Money. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. We stream here every single day live, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, trading futures. Your favorite instrument, the Emini. Everyone's favorite trading instrument here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Well, what do you know? We got a brand new promo going on. Oh man, I gotta change my stuff. What am I? I'm lacking here. I'm lacking. I am seriously lacking here. Let me do some housekeeping real quick. Sorry about that. Bill 7, good morning. Kipper says, I see most people trade NQ. That might be true. That might be true, but we're trading the best instrument in the world here. I mean, should I be like, I did a poll already. And most people here trade the E-mini that watch this stream. So, I took the poll. The numbers speak for themselves. So we will continue to trade the E-minis here. Though I know a lot of you do trade the NQ. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Brand new promo, BBM for 80% off. Boom, there it is. And 1 day to pass, pandas. We're back to 1 day to pass. Yeah. What can I say? By the way, pandas, I gave a sneak peek in the Discord that we were going to have a promo starting at 6 p.m. yesterday. And if you didn't know that we're going to have a promo at 6 p.m. yesterday, that's because you're not part of Discord. So if you're not part of Discord, jump on it because you'll get exclusive information like that. Also, if you want to join the Discord, it's in the description. Kid Poker says, I'm still laughing about that mama joke. Chasing the garbage truck. I'm telling you, your mama joke technology has really advanced over the years. I'm not gonna lie. That technology is really, really advanced. Hugh, good morning. Bill Sevens got the like button. I mean, Hugh wants more your mama jokes, but the thing is, really, that was only caused because of how choppy we were yesterday. And if you remember, on stream, I mentioned once we got this little cluster of candles right here, I said this is a ledge. The market has made it known what price it likes today. And the market's going to love this pink line. And most likely we'll close near it. We had an edge there. And guess what, pandas? Even though we crashed down towards the end of the day, what did we do? We come right back to the purple line. We pretty much closed like 3 points, 3.5 points away from this purple line. So I think it's pretty accurate to say that the market did love this purple line yesterday, or this pink line. We might open near it as well. It's at 52.34. 52.34. It closed yesterday at 52.33. So basically 1 point away on the 5-minute chart. It closed 1 point away on the 5-minute chart. So right in the middle of the range. And also, notice on the 5-minute chart, the whole day we were just hanging up here. But the trading range indicator said, wait, we're in a trading range. Look at this. And then you might be scratching your heads like, no, we're not. We're like in an uptrend, or the trading range is way up here. What happens at the end of the day? Boom. Comes down to the bottom of the trading range, marked by the trading range indicator. Bounces off of it. It comes right back to that ledge that we created. So a lot of weird stuff happening. But, I mean, the trading range indicator, I mean, I can't make this stuff up. I didn't draw this trading range. It was automatically created by the trading range indicator, and lo and behold, at the end of the day, it does come back down to test it. Boom. It's crazy. Daily chart. We did have a bearish bar yesterday, but I don't think there's anything to really think anything much more is going to come from. I don't know. We're on such a strong bull move. I just don't think. This is a daily chart, by the way. If you want to know what chart we're looking at, look at the top right of your screen. It tells you the exact chart we're looking at, or the time frame at least. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking it's gonna go higher, but who knows? Who knows? Who really knows? How will they know? Nobody's gonna know. Quick look at gold just for fun. Just for funsies. Looking at gold real quick. Gold actually made a nice move up. Entire day. Actually, gold was a bull move. Bull run yesterday on gold. Gold was probably the better trade to take. Oil gaps up. Trading range ends near the top of the range. Blast to the upside. All right. Gold. By the way, my hours for gold, if you're wondering what hours are good to trade, I just looked up, the volume of the chart, and essentially from 8 o'clock to 2:30 is when gold really starts to pick up volume. So I just chart the high volume areas on gold.
10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, you can look on the top left of your screen. You can follow my journey. We are down like $500 on these accounts. We're almost back to original account balance. And remember, these accounts were down like $4,000. So that means we had at some point almost a $4,000 swing. Only if that swing could have been done on the positive end. But actually, we had to lose the money first, then regain the money. So here we are, Pandas. We're almost back to the original account balance. We're getting there. We are getting there. If you really want to know how many accounts I have and how much money I've really made, you can become a panda, and all the information is there for you. If you want to become a panda, just hit that join button or go into the description. We do pre-market shows every single day, going over all my account balances, going over all my withdrawals, going over everything with Apex. I'm like fully disclosed there. Oh, sorry. Fully, basically fully like transparent. Fully disclosed, yeah, pretty much. Same thing. 5-minute chart was wacky. Untradeable day yesterday, really. Good morning. Lou, good morning. Welcome, guys. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Should I start doing giveaways? Should I start doing giveaways once a week? I don't know. I feel like, there's something here that could be done. Should we start just giving giveaways? Like, should this just be like a channel where you just join and possibly win like $100 every time you watch? Just because you're watching. Should we start doing that just for fun? I think I need like the problem is it's hard to enter. Hard to enter. The problem is like, how would I draw? What pool would I draw from? Like, how would I set that up, pandas? How would I set up like a weekly giveaway? Like, how's it possible? What would I do? Weekly giveaways. I would first have to get everyone's like names somehow. I don't think there is like a tool that I can use to like get everyone who's watching. I think that would be like breaking some laws because everyone who's watching, they may not want to be known to be watching this stream, and I don't think there is a tool for that. I don't know. All right, pandas. I put a poll up to see what you guys thought of the price action the last couple months, and a lot of you guys think it's been difficult. 2/3 of you has said it's difficult. I'm in the difficult camp. I think it's been very difficult the last few months of price action. At least in the opening, right? The opening hour has been so tough, so difficult. It's been very choppy, very low volatility. It seems like if we don't have news, the market does nothing, and this is unfortunate. We're just in that kind of environment right now, right? Like the market doesn't move unless there's news. The Alpine Trader guy uses the Nightbot. All right, maybe I can do that. Nightbot. Oh, giveaways. All right. You know what? All right. I can do that during stream. If we get to like a certain amount of likes, I can do like a Nightbot like giveaway, and you could enter the drawing. Market just opened, by the way, pandas. Joshua says, I'm sure Jerome Powell watches. He doesn't want to be exposed. What would his username be? Like Jerome with a G. He's an Alpine clown. Is he a clown? I've never watched his stuff. Kellyanne, good morning. All right, where are we at? This pink line could still be in play. It's like you know when we're not in play with this pink line, and when it happens, you'll know. Like it won't be a secret. Like it'll be pretty obvious once the pink line is no longer affecting the market. trying to fill the gap here on the 5-minute chart, seems like. I mean, choppy days, right, where we open like within the range, previous day's range. I just think that very easy chance to fill that gap. Second entry short here, downtrend. Could use this trend line. Small risk here, I'll take it. I thought the risk was worth it. Coming back to the purple magenta line here. Also, we have a trend line and 20 EMA, and we're in a downtrend. So, well, a lot of things going for us here, and the risk reward is very good, right? I'm going to go for like a couple points here. The reason why I'm aiming for this is to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. That's what I'm aiming for, and also pretty much test the magenta line. So we'll go short here. I got a good retracement too. I got like 3 tick retracement on that, which is nice. I'll take it. The risk reward is very good too. We're risking like less than 2 points to gain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. I'll take that. I'll take that risk reward any day. That's better than a 1 to 2. That's like a 1 to 2.5 or something. I mean, I really think we're just gonna fill the gap. I mean, it's just like a very clear magnet and target. Try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. If we don't, we don't. But I think it's a good trade in my opinion and a good target. We'll hold it until we get it. Come on, hold. Let me see the 5-minute. Fill the gap. Hold. Hold the line. Oh, hit us. Come on. Push. 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 Pandas. Pandas. Come on. Come to Papa. Pandas, what's going on? What's going on? Why is it doing that? Why would you be doing that? 2000 tick chart test my magenta line. I thought we'll fill the gap. Pandas, I thought we'll fill the gap. What is that? Pandas! What is that? Pandas, what is that? Wait. Pandas. No. What? No way. No way. No way you're going to miss the gap by 3/4 of a point. No way. There's no way. No way. No way you're going to miss the gap by 3/4 of a point. Bouncing off our magenta line here. I'm risking so little, Pandas, I don't mind. But that's just crazy. I'm risking like 10 points to gain this. I'm going to hold it. I'm holding it. Hold! Hold! There's no way you missed that gap by 3/4 of a point. There's absolutely no way. Is there? Is it going to actually happen? There's no way you missed that. 3/4 of a point? You missed a gap? I don't know, pandas. Something's fishy. Are we super bullish or something? What's going on? The market's trying to play games with me.
10,000 tick trap.
Hold! No! No! It looks so good. It like went straight down. Maybe I got a little too greedy, but honestly, pandas, can you blame me for trying to get profits at the gap? Like, can you blame me when we have a strong move down like this? Am I at fault here? Am I really at fault here? I mean, you gotta assume that's where you're gonna try to hit. Jeez, it's gonna get me, huh? All right, okay. Misses the gap by 3/4 of a point, pandas. He goes a straight beeline down to it. I could have gone. Pandas. The moral of the story is always make a 1-to-1. That's the 1-to-1 of this trade. That's the moral of the story, pandas. Always make a 1-to-1 and get out. Jeez, what in the world was that? It missed the gap by 3/4 of a point. I mean, it goes straight down to it, bounces off my pink line. Maybe I should have just bought on the pink. Maybe I should just closed on the pink line. Whatever, Panda. This is we're just down like two points here. But wow, that's something else. The market just loves to do that, huh? Just loves doing that. You don't even fill the gap. I mean, eventually you're going to fill this gap today, no? Jeez. That's just unfortunate, pandas. What can you do? Is it going to fill the gap now? Is it going to go straight down to fill the gap now? Watch it fill the gap now.
10,000 tick trap.
Watch it fill the gap now. I hope. Okay, we get a trap trade. I'm going to stay away from this, I think. Yeah, this is a trap. Feels like I just short. We bounce off this support, but we have a gap to fill. We potentially would be hitting this resistance now. Right, several hits here. Maybe I'll take a lower high setup or something. I don't know. Okay, that trap fails. Trap failed. I kind of want to see this hit the top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Wow. Does it reverse now? Is it going to fill the gap now? It's mighty unfortunate. Mighty unfortunate, pandas. I thought I had a winner. I really did. I thought I had a big winner. Second entry long forming here. I'm going to skip it. I'll take the trap trade, though. I'll take the trap. I will take the trap if it traps here. Second entry long. I'm in this trade. Alright. Pan, it has to fill the gap now, right? It has to fill the gap now. Okay. It does a trap. Outside bar reversal. Maybe got too eager to jump in there. It's only one contract again. The risk is a little bit bigger. This is more of like a swingy type of trade here. Right, we got a trap that triggers fail second entry long. Coming off of this trend line. Also gap to fill below. Pretty much the same entry where I entered over here. pretty much the same entry.
10,000 tick trap.
Looks like it's gonna bust me here, unfortunately. Right, the trap does trigger with the outside bar reversal. I got so eager because I felt like this gap was so clear. Okay, so it does trigger. Okay, I feel better about this trade. If I lose it, I lose it. It's just it is what it is. It's unfortunate though. Right, this trap now fails. Right, so you had a fail second entry long, then a double triple trap here. Jeez, all right, I wasn't ready for a triple trap. I really thought we were gonna fill the gap here. Triple trap here now. It's unfortunate. Jeez, wow, this is too much. Too much chop. If it gets me here, it gets me here, and it is what it is. Looks semi-bullish now. Looks semi-bullish. I mean, it almost looks bullish at this point. Right, the 20 EMA is acting as like a support now. It really feels bullish because I'm bearish right now. I'm in a short trade, so everything seems bullish. Jeez. This might be looking for a new high still. I don't know. Pushes down again here. It's getting very choppy. Okay. Decent push down here. No follow through whatsoever. Just reverses immediately. Disgusting. It's actually disgusting. It's sick. Wowzers. We actually fill the gap here now. Who knows? Who actually knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. We just get no follow through. Every time a bar closes, we get a little shot back up. Jeez. Can't get anything going here. Bounces right back up. Okay, pushes back down. All right. I mean, that seems good to me. This just looks crazy though. I'm so focused, pandas. I'm so focused on this chart, and nothing's happening. I'm so focused and nothing's happening. Okay. I don't know what's happening though. We're getting so choppy. We got 3 like super overlapping bars, 4 overlapping bars essentially here right now.
Five-minute trap.
Okay. That looks good to me. Strong bear bar. Come to Papa. It's super annoyed that it has to take me out before it does this move. It's just, that's what the market does, huh? Okay. Come on. You can give me more than that. If it doesn't fill the gap here, I'm like, I'll be shocked. Man, I'll be shocked. I'll be absolutely appalled if we don't fill the gap here. I'm going to call out Jerome skis here. If we don't get... Penis! Let's go, baby! I wasn't nervous at all, Pandas. 100% was certain that was going to work out. I had zero doubts. Zero doubts. That's what we call professional, emotionless trading, Pandas. Absolutely no emotions there. It's just stone cold trading. That's what I call it. Isn't it so annoying that it first takes me out here? Like, it could have just done that here, but instead it wanted to do this and then finally fill. It's just so frustrating. So frustrating, Pandas. Like, why did I have to first lose 100 to gain the 166 now? It's just so frustrating. Why does it have to do that? It's why in the world? I mean, we're in this channel, Pandas. We're like bam, 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 bam. It's just like hitting every resistance right now. Actually incredible. Strong bear bar forming on the 5-minute chart. Let's see how it ends though. Again, we're in this trading range. Pandas, we're so close to break even. Like, we're so close. Aren't we close? Aren't we close to pretty much getting back to original account balance? Like $300 away, essentially. But if the market didn't have to do this, if it didn't do this in the beginning, then I'd be fine. But for some odd reason, I had the need to come and take me out and then go. It is what it is.
Target filled.
What was target? Target fill. Target fill. Oh, what? Whoa. One account went rogue, but it went for me. That I had one account rogue that went rogue, not part of the stream accounts of like my own accounts. And it went rogue and it went for me. I mean, that's good news, right, Pandas? Oh, what is happening right now, Pandas? This is a straight shot down. Whoa, what's going on, Pandas? What's going on? We're going to hit Big Mama here. What is happening? Whoa, the 5-minute surprise candle. Like, there has to be... Whoa, 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 whoa. Did news happen? What's going on? What's going on? Like, you don't see this kind of bar form very often. It's not normal. Whoa. What's going on? PPI was 8:30 this morning. That was a long time ago. Oh, I feel like I just gotta sell whatever and whenever. We're in breakout mode. Sell whatever, wherever. Oh, the market's going crazy on me. I mean, I'm thinking follow through. Look at the 5-minute candle. You gotta have follow through here. I mean, if there's no follow through here, then it's just trading's broken. Get out my trade. Why are you still in the trade? Okay, stay in it. Come over here. Fill it down here. I don't know. Fill somewhere else. I don't know. I don't think any of those things are gonna matter. Pandas. Do we got rhythmic issues? What's going on? Why can't I get out of my trade? Pandas.
Target.
Ah!
Target filled.
Wait, what?
Target filled.
What is happening, Pandas? Am I in my trades? What's going on? Pandas. I mean, that is a scary place to be, no? Am I overreacting? That's a scary place to be, Pandas. I think that's a scary place to be. I was like in a trade. I didn't know what was happening. I couldn't get out of my trades. I was just sold anything, everything. Got in my first entry here. Pandas. Wait, are my charts okay? I gotta reload. I'm gonna reload. Pandas, what's going on? Okay. Does that happen to anyone else? Is that happening to anyone else? Is that just me, or is it happening to other? It's happening to other people because I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it, but I don't want to say those magic words. But do we have rhythmic issues? I don't want to say the magic words, but do we have rhythmic issues right now? All right, there's one way to check. One way to check here. I don't know. I don't know. Should we put tickets in, pandas? Should we put tickets in? Should we start saying, I mean, come on. I'm up 400. I'm up 400 pandas. That's crazy, right? The 5-minute chart, surprise, bear candle. I mean, you sell the close and you just hold on because you know there's going to be follow through. Very high chance of follow through on that. What is going on, though? We can't even get a second entry short here, pandas. Give me some pullback. You know what, pandas? It actually filled me down here. Isn't that kind of nice? My entry was right here, or my target was actually on this red line, but it actually filled me down here, like later. I guess at the end that was nice. Overall, that's a bad thing because what if it shot way back up here and I would have been filled up here instead of coming out actually at my target. Overall, that's a bad news. But for this instance, that was good news. Right? I just kept moving it down because it kept moving. That's why I said, all right, if you give me a chance, I'll move my target down more and more. It's the second entry short here. We're getting very choppy though. We're getting very, very choppy here. Getting very sus. Second entry short does trigger. I mean, we're breaking down right now. It's a breakout. I prefer it to be closer to the 20 EMA to trigger this, but it is what it is. Wow. Second short triggering down here. Okay. I'm going to sit on my pause, but wow. That's incredible. Actually incredible. I almost just want to sell again. Anywhere, everywhere. That was a little bit crazy. But hey, it actually worked for my favor that time. That's incredible. It filled me like 3 bars later. But I was able to like get a little bit more. Like I got like almost 2 more points from that. Okay, we're actually touching the 20 EMA now. I'm scared of a huge like V bottom reversal here, but okay, first entry. I gotta take a second entry here, right, pandas? Right? It's the law. It's like the law. If I get a second entry short, I gotta take it, right? It's like the law. I'm gonna be arrested if I don't take the second entry short, no? Even an outside bar reversal, ugly setup, Terrible looking signal bar. I gotta take it, right? Otherwise, I'll be arrested. I do own a website called two-leggedpullback.com. I gotta take this. Ooh, I really don't want an outside bar reversal. All right. I mean, I'm gonna be arrested if I don't take this, right? Like, I have to try. Okay. Of course, the first second entry short's gonna fail. Of course, on a super strong downtrend. Why wouldn't it? This is classic second entry short trading here. Of course, the first second entry short's gonna fail. Hey, at least it didn't give me slippage. At least it didn't give me slippage. I'm happy about that. Of course, the first second entry short's gonna fail, pandas. I mean, what would trading be without it? Right? What would trading be if that doesn't happen? We got the first second entry short. It's a wild looking one, but it is the first one. And it does fail, so it is what it is. You know, you gotta try. I mean, I have a website called www.twoleggedpullback.com. I gotta take that, right? It'd be illegal if I didn't. Give me another second entry short and I'll try again. Jeez. Okay, 2 bear bars. I'm eager to find a short here, of course. Of course I'm eager to find a short. Who wouldn't be? Who wouldn't be eager to find a short here? Okay. Okay, pops up. Man, I almost feel like I gotta take a double here. I almost feel like I gotta take a double. I usually don't do this. But this is just too good to be true right now. Too good to be true. I'm gonna lose all my profits here. Watch this. In one single trade, I'm gonna lose all my profits. In one single trade, I will lose all my profits and more. Just watch. It's like a magic trick. Super strong downtrend. Trying to get a little bit more on this downtrend. It'll pop down here. Can we get more than that, please? Can we get a little more than that? Pandas. Can we get a little more than that, please? Give me a 1-to-1, please. Don't reverse on me. Don't do that to me. Don't reverse on me, please. Why would you reverse? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't reverse. Don't even think about it. Whoo! Whoa, what was that? I'll take it. Pandas. Pandas. Get the 1-to-2. Almost. Tickles. What? Wait. Am I out? Oh, let's go. Pandas. Guess who's profitable? Guess who's profitable again? Make accounts green again, pandas. We did it. We are officially green again. We came back from a $4,000 hole. We are back green, pandas. Do you believe it? Pandas. Can't believe it. Pandas. I mean, whoo. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good right now. I mean, I'm fine. I'm fine. I got enough. I got enough piece of this. I got enough of a piece of this. I even took the short here, right, for the second just short. That failed. I just took it a second attempt on the second just short, essentially, and it works out. And I got the 1-to-1 and also the 1-to-2 risk reward pandas. I'll do it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, this is just unstoppable. Unstoppable. Finally, we're getting a day with some movement. I mean, pandas. Can you really, like, honestly, like, yesterday after a day, like, this was yesterday. That was yesterday. And now today, we're finally getting some movement. Just all bear bars. Jeez. Jeez. All right. I mean, I'm getting pieces of it. We're approaching the previous week's close. Interesting. Where's the weekly low? Weekly low's way down there. What is this line? Why do I have a line here, pandas? Why do I have a line here? Okay. Bye-bye. Jeez. Pandas. I mean, we got pieces of it. We certainly got pieces of it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Pandas, we are back to profitable. I cannot tell you, if you guys remember, like earlier this week, I was about, or maybe like late last week, I was down like $4,000. If you guys remember, I was like down like $4,000 on these accounts. Now we're back up green again. We had a $4,000 swing essentially. Whoo! Hey, pandas, let's just take it slow. I mean, it's one contract at a time. Let's just do it right. Right? Let's take the appropriate risks that we need. That last trade, I had to take it with 2. It was just too good of a trade to pass up. This is like, we haven't seen a day like this in who knows how long, pandas. Who knows how long was the last time we seen a day like this? Jeez. Lou the writer says, that's impressive. I would just blown my accounts and started over. I mean, it's kind of funny. If you just blew the accounts and started over, that's like a shortcut way of gaining $4,000. And I could have done all that work to be positive 4,000 on some accounts. It would actually been economical for me to just bust my account, start over, and then just do what I just did again on the new accounts, and I'll be up $4,000. Pandas, that's actually 2,000 IQ. I messed up. Pandas, I don't know why. I should have just blown the accounts. Why didn't I blow the accounts? I'm such an idiot. I should have just blown the accounts, pandas. What was I thinking? What's wrong with me? I don't know what it is. It's just like, I actually made sense to blow the account, start over, and then just, I mean, I have, pandas, you don't understand how many accounts I have. You really don't get it. You really don't understand how many accounts I have. If with that many accounts, I should have just blown the account to start over. I don't know. You really don't understand. You really don't know. It feels good. I'm just happy. I just want to like kind of rest in this a little bit, soak it in. We made accounts green again. Unbelievable. And we did it all live too. I mean, you're seeing all the pure emotions. Like this, there's no faking this, man. This is 100%. You're just seeing everything. You're seeing everything. Wow. When's the last time we had a day like this? Jeez. I could not have predicted that this was going to happen. Right? I took my money out, like, on the 5 minute. I just filled the gap. Remember how happy I was just filling the gap? I could not have predicted that this was gonna happen. Jeez. All right, bears are having a hard time making money now. Nasir says if you can go down from negative 4,000 to 0, you can go from 0 to positive 4. You're a genius. I mean, that is just infallible logic. That is 100% true. Pandas, just imagine I actually am positive 4,000. Jeez. It's good to do it on stream though. All right, so it's a trap trade here. Do I like it? It's not that bad, but the downturn is so strong, Pandas. I don't know if the first reversal is going to work out. I mean, it could, but I just don't know. I just don't know. It's a fail second entry short, or short happening after a very strong downtrend. I personally think it needs another leg down. So I'm not going to take any reversal here, but this could reverse. I think it has more room to go down, to be honest. Let me just relish in this a little bit, Pandas. I'm just very happy. Marcus, man, that's really good news. I know you've been bummed out. I just don't have much words to say, from all the difficulties you've been having. But, hey, that's really good news. I'm happy for you. Get those payouts. And it's also 1 day to pass, which is nice. You get right back to PAs real quick. I was not predicting a move like that, Pandas. That was crazy. By the way, Pandas, it's really nice because we have the 1 day to pass promo again. And next week, Wednesday, is the day. It is the big Kahuna trade news day at 2 o'clock. I mean, I think it's going to go crazy. I think the market's going to go crazy. I think it's going to be one of those, I think it's going to be a big enough move where you can pass any account, essentially. And that's next Wednesday. By the way, if you want to know this news, if you want a place where you can always refer back to it, right, because you're on stream, you might not always hear it on stream, join the Discord. I have a channel dedicated on the Discord that basically just highlights all the news that I think will be big enough to make or break your evals, which essentially means you can pass your evals in one single trade, right? Max contracts, choose a side, and you can potentially pass your evals. It's the easiest and proven way to pass your evals. Is just, if you want to get funded, that's the easiest way to get it. There's just no doubt about it. Next week is FOMC and Fed funds rate. And it's the one with the conference, so it's the big one, right? We got FOMC statement plus the Fed funds rate. Big news. While appreciate it. I mean, you have the black and white attraction. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, Marcus Vaughn. I feel on that. I think we have another leg down here. It's starting to get a little bit choppy now. I do think we have one more little push down at least on the 5-minute chart. All right, what I'm basically saying is that I think we're going to break a previous candle's low before breaking this pivot high. That's essentially what I'm saying. It's just a very high chance for that to happen. Very high chance. Notice, Pandas, if you did take this trap, you would have made a scalp. A little more than a scalp right there. You got a second entry short forming on the 10,000 tick chart now. I mean, this could V bottom. Who knows? I mean, the market can do anything. Like, it dropped like a rock for no reason. It can fly up like a rocket for no reason. It can fall like a rock or fly like a rocket. Is that not cool? Is that just... Am I the only one that think that's kind of cool? Either falls like a rock or blasts off like a rocket. Is that not cool? Is that just me? Alright, whatever. I'll just, I'll just enjoy that by myself. Yeah, I think it's just too meta for you guys. It's way too meta. Got second entry short coming on the 10,000 tick chart. Do I like it? I do. I do like this 10,000 tick second entry short. I don't like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars leading up to it though. Jeez, it's such a strong move up. It is a rocket right now. What is going on, Pandas? It's actually a rocket. That trap actually was such a nice trade at the end of it. At the end of all this. It's just so hard to predict that you'll get a V bottom like this. I've had days where we had like very strong downtrends and it's like every trap just fails. This one works. Oh man, this is crazy. I mean, we could bounce all the way back up. I've seen crazier things, to be honest. I've seen crazier things in the market, but I mean, this is definitely... It does not mean that this is not crazy. I've seen crazier things, but this is also crazy. If we do get like a V bottom here, never look back.
$10,000 tick trap.
Everyone's making happy mistakes today. We're all Bill Rosses today. Just happy mistakes all around. Even with the lag here, it was a happy mistake. Got a little bit more. We squeezed like an extra 1.5 points there. Happy little mistakes here everywhere today. Bill 7 thought he was trading one contract, ended up trading 4, but it works out for his favor. I mean, that's a happy little mistake today. I mean, we'll take him. We'll take it if we can. I'm feeling good right now, Pandas. I mean, we're back green again. I'm just up 749. I mean, come on, Pandas. Come on. And you know what? The best part about it, Pandas, I'm up $749, but I lost 2 times. My record today is essentially what? 3 to 2. I won 3 times, lost 2 times. Yeah, my record's 3 to 2. And I'm up $749. I'll take that any day. We got a second short forming on a 10,000 tick, but now like we're above the 20 MA, so it's actually hard to take. This is actually hard to take now. You can't take this one. If anything, you look for the trap at this point. This is crazy reversal. It's just a V bottom here. No warning, just falls like a rock, bounces up like a rocket. I'm going to keep saying that until you guys like it. Jeez. Wow, it's been so long, Panda, since I've just had a decent day like this. Oh, it's so frustrating. I'm happy, though. I'm happy. I'll take it. I'll take it.
10,000 tick trap.
Second entry short does trigger on a 10,000 tick. Are we just going to reverse right off the bat, though? Jeez. That is crazy if we do. I don't think so. I don't know. We could, but I don't know. I don't know. Second entry long. Second entry long? Second entry long here? Second entry long. Huh. Okay.
10,000 tick trap.
It'd be very hard to skip a fail second entry long here. In my opinion, it's very hard for me to skip a fail second entry long. If we get a trap here, Panda, that would be very hard to pass for me. It'd be very hard for me to skip. If we get a fail second entry long here. People come in limit orders at the top of that bar, right? Not triggering that second entry. So that means that they will yeah, not triggering that second entry. Marker double top, essentially. Whoa! Pandas, what is up with today? Give me little heart attacks. Very hard for me to skip this, Pandas. It's actually so hard for me to skip this. Oh boy, I gotta take it. I gotta take it, Pandas. I just almost... I'll end this stream on a loss. I do not care. I gotta take this. I gotta try. I gotta try. I don't care if I end this stream on a loss. I gotta attempt this trap trade. It's just too tempting for me. Way too tempting. I got a deep retracement too, which is nice.
$10,000 tick trap.
Alright, I'll take it. Penis! I will say I'm officially the best panda trader in the world right now. Verified. I will say that. I'm the best panda trader in the world right now. Pandas. Like, I'm officially the best panda trader in the world. Verified. No? Am I not? Oh, Ruben's sick. Hey, thoughts and prayers to you. I mean, can anything more be done today? Can anything be done more today? I feel like I've accomplished so much already. I mean, should I go for the big 1000? Should I go for the big 1000? Should I just trade for no reason just so I can get that arbitrary goal? Should I do it? Why else? It's ridiculous. Should I dare? Should I dare go for the coveted 1K day? The 1K day today. Should I go for it? It makes no sense for me to do it. But should I try? I don't know. I just don't know the setup. What setup am I looking for? Second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Maybe I'll try. Second entry short 5-minute. It might even just do a fail second entry short. I don't know. How about I trade until I lose? How about this? I trade until 1K or until I lose a trade. Either I get to 1K or I lose a trade. It's just like, I can lose one trade. It's fine. Or I can get to 1K. Like one or the other. It's kind of like the limit, right? When you lose, you limit yourself to lose only $1,000. You never lose more than that. It's kind of the same idea. Like you keep trading until you hit that 1K profit. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Am I talking crazy here? I think I'm talking crazy, but it kind of makes sense to me. Right? If you're willing to lose $1,000 a day, then you gotta be willing to gain $1,000 a day. You know what I mean? It's getting a limit order market here. Getting a little sussy. Might look for a new high here at this point on this uptrend. Right? This uptrend looks like it needs to be retested. Essentially creating a second entry short on the 5-minute chart here potentially. Trap trade to the short side, skipping it. Moashi, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, it's pushing down. I don't know what my next setup is gonna be. Moashi, by the way, we start we're an hour different now. We had daylight savings, so just in case you're wondering. Okay, second entry short now. A little more enticing to go short. So I've got multiple pushes down here. It kind of looks like a bull flag to me, right? Big move and then kind of like pullback, but the pullback is slight. Outside bar reversal, skipping that for sure. Very interesting here. Curious. I'm a little bit confused. It's getting very choppy now. It's getting very confusing. It's an inside bar being created on the 5-minute chart. Inside bar, 5-minute. Very confusing to me. I've been having pretty bad luck with the inside bars on the 5-minute. So the question is on the 5-minute chart, right? What I mean by inside bar, right? This candle is like completely inside the range of the previous candle, right? That means the high is lower than the high of the previous candle. And the low is higher than the low on the previous candle. And when it creates this inside bar, right, we call this an OI pattern, outside inside bar. When you create this, typically you just buy if it breaks the top and sell if it breaks the bottom. I've been having pretty bad luck with this setup. But the idea is you typically want to go with trend. So right now we had a strong move down, but we also had a strong move up. So this inside bar breaks to the upside. Are we actually going with trend with the short-term trend? Doesn't matter at this point because it doesn't create the inside bar. It actually pops upwards. Just see what happens here at this point. Making that new high, which I thought we were going to make. Right, breaking this high, what I mean by new high. Right, creating basically the second entry short on the 5-minute, right? It's just a second entry short on the 5. That's what I'm actually waiting for. I'm waiting for the second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Just don't give me something crazy. Give me something to work with, please. Please give me something to work with. Okay, 5-minute. It's actually setting itself up for a second entry short here. I mean, this could be a V bottom, and this can just be going upwards. Right, daily chart can easily be an outside. Oh, it's already an outside bar, so I don't know. It's crazy. That's crazy. It's already an outside bar. What do I need to make 100 or 1,000? I need a 130. So that's like 135. Let's just say 3 points. I need 3-point move. I need 3-point scalp here to make this a 1K day today. 3-point scalp. Can it be possible? For such a strong move down, right, is actually a pretty nice comeback here. I mean, with a move down like this, it basically is just one leg down, and now we're just bouncing, come back up. Essentially, this is one leg down. Jeez. Okay, so breakout pullback here. Right, breaks out from here, pulls back down to it. If you're eager to go long, this is actually not that bad of a trade, but look at the higher time frames. We also have a break of trend to new high, so curious. The 5-minute might create a nasty candle for a second entry short, as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6-point risk. It's basically 6.25 point risk here if you take this trade. Wow. I mean, that's, yeah. It'll be a 6-point, right? Because you have to give yourself one tick, and then you have to give yourself one tick here on both sides. So 6.5 points. Wait, just too low. Right there. 6.25 point of risk. That's a lot. That's a lot of risk, pandas. Pushes up. Right. Breakout pullback to the breakout point. And it's a trap trade. And it's a nice looking one. We thought we'd get some sort of second entry short on the 5-minute setting up, but this might just be testing the 240 SMA eventually. You know, it likes to test it. What a move down. I mean, that's insane. That's actually insane. We got like scalps off of it, a couple scalps. I mean, I'll take it. Take what I can. Free paper cuts, trade micros, wide stops, best time of your life. It's actually really fun. Trading micros. Imagine being able to treat E-minis as micros, right? Like 100 grand account. Your E-minis would basically be like micros. This looks quite bullish, what can I say? Actually does look quite bullish. All stemming from this trap trade, pandas. This trap I was hesitant to take. I wasn't thinking about V-bottom. You never think about V-bottoms, really. You just let V-bottoms hit you. You know, if you like go with trend and also in V-bottoms, you gotta just say like that's just a loss I gotta take. GC Berg, E-minis were the micros of their day. Yeah, that's true. Yep. No, absolutely true. Can you imagine trading full contracts? S&P futures? Not even S&P, like, it's just straight up S&Ps. 50, like it's your margins are like 100 grand per contract.
$10,000 tick trap.
The 5-minute chart trap is about to trigger, and it's going to be the whole entire risk. It's too much risk. Too much risk. It's a lot of risk. If I can, I would like a retracement back to here or something. That'd be nice. I don't know if I'm going to get it, though. I really don't know if I'm going to get it. Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm just waiting for this second entry short to trigger on the 5-minute chart, so I can get my 1K goal today, pandas. For the content. I need a retracement. I need deeper retracement. The risk is too large. The risk is too large for me. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss the trade altogether because I need a retracement. I don't think I'm gonna get it. The risk is like 6. It's like 6.5 points. 6.5 point risk, pandas. I'm just not gonna. I'm not risking 6.5 points. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, pandas. I can't do it. I gotta be somewhat intelligent about this. It ends up pushing down quite hard. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. 4 points, almost 4.5 points. Push. Okay, that makes sense. Second to short, 5-minute chart, pandas. The risk is too big, pandas. I could not take it. It's too big of a risk. I can't take it. It's just too big. And the thing is, it's like it still hasn't made a 1-to-1. I mean, I'm not saying it won't, but your 1-to-1 is essentially right here. Right, that's your 1-to-1. I could have made my 3 points. I could have made my 1K day today, but yeah, it's tough. Tough. trap does trigger here. It's a decent trap. Maybe I'll take the trap trade. The trap trade's less risk. It's about the appropriate risk I'm looking for. Win or lose, pandas. And I'm going to lose it. It looks like I'm going to lose it. I got one tick retracement on it, but the trap trade here makes sense, I guess. Right, you got to break a trend new high. Fail second entry. Long here. Coming off the 20 MA. Pandas. Are we going to get it? We either make this trade or lose. Oh, no. No. Why? Why? I mean, the 5-minute even looks good, right? It's like a strong bear bar, any near its low. You're thinking there's follow through on there. It's just why? Why? Just why? Remember to use code BBM for 80% off your evals. I think I lost this one, Pandas. Failed trap. Actually a decent trade, though. I don't mind the trade itself, actually. It's unfortunate. Very unfortunate, Pandas. It is what it is, though. We'll take it. I said I'll either win my next trade or lose it. And this is it, Pandas. I'm just holding it. I'm holding it. There's a small little whisper of hope in me saying that this can still work out. We got a second entry short on the 10,000 on the 2,000 tick chart now. Absolutely incredible if this triggers and flushes. That would be a miracle. That would be a miracle. That is proof that God exists. If we get a flush down here. I don't think it's happening, Pandas. This is like ripping my face off now. It just completely bounces off right when it triggers. That's amazing. It almost looks bullish at this point. What is going on, though? Yeah, it's going to get me. Oh, well. You know what, Pandas? Hey, we're still green. Our accounts are still profitable. I took the trade. I said I either win or lose on my next trade. I stuck to my word, Pandas. And you got to give me at least that. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow at 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:50 for the main stream. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you take advantage of BBM for 80% off Apex evals while they still last. One day to pass, don't forget. And also next week is going to be the big news on Wednesday. So make sure you mark your calendars. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining. It's been great. I mean, it feels good to be green again. It feels good to have your accounts back green again, Pandas. I mean, it's nice. It feels good. And I love the fact that I was able to do it live with the best community on YouTube verified. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.